I'm going to be solving the 2000 AMC 10 problem 25. Let's read the problem. In year n, the 300th day of the year is a Tuesday. In year n plus 1, the 200th day is also a Tuesday. On what day of the week did the 100th day of year n minus 1 occur? So something important to know about years is that if the 300th day of a certain year is a Tuesday, then in year n plus 1, the 300th day is going to be a Wednesday. Unless year n plus 1 is a leap year, in which it's going to be a Thursday in that case, since we added an extra day. And we can see this because when we divide 365, the number of days, divided by the number of days in a week, we get 52 with a remainder of 1. And that remainder of 1 is the addition of 1 day. So we know that in year n, the 300th day was a Tuesday. Which means that in year n plus 1, the 300th day is going to be a Wednesday, or it might be a Thursday. And so we know that the 200th day in year n plus 1 is a Tuesday. And so if we add 100 days to that, 100 is congruent to 2 mod 7, which essentially means that it leaves a remainder of 2 when you divide it by 7, which means that if the 200th day is a Tuesday, then 100 days after that is going to be 2 days after a Tuesday, which is a Thursday. And so we can circle Thursday because the 300th day of year n plus 1 was a Thursday. And so this means that year n plus 1 was a leap year, which means that year n plus 1, which is the main part of this problem, cannot be a leap year. And the goal of the question is to find out what the 100th day of year n minus 1 is. So once again, we can reference the rule from earlier that adding 1 year means that the same day in the next year is going to be the next day of the week, which means that if the 300th day of year n was a Tuesday, then that means the 300th day of year n minus 1 was a Monday. And so we know that the 300th of n minus 1 was a Monday. And so we essentially have to subtract 200 days from this to find out what the 100th day was. And so 200, if we do the division, is equal to 28 with a remainder of 4. Or we can say that 200 is congruent to 4 mod 7. Which means that if we subtract 4 days from the 300th day, we're going to get the value of the 100th day. And so, let me clear out some space here. Which means that subtracting 4 days from Monday, we're going to go to Sunday for the first day, Saturday, second day, Friday for the third day, and finally Thursday for the last day. And so this means that the 100th day of year n minus 1 was a Thursday. And so the answer is A.